Hey everyone, this is class 7th maths, and as we have started chapter triangles exercise 15b, question number 1 part 6 is this. Here beta figure is given in your book and we have to find unknown marked angles. We have to find M and N. So let's give name to the figure A, B, C and D, right? So here beta, just leave this figure and focus on ACD. In ACD, these two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, obviously the base angle will also equal. Opposite angles will also equal. ठीक? So it means from here, from in triangle ACD, AC is equals to CD. So we can write angle A is equals to angle D. This angle is equals to this angle. It means 35 degree is equals to M. Okay. This was the unknown angle which we have to found. That we have done. We have found this angle. Now we'll find this angle. For this, there is no any two sides are given which are equal. Only one side is given which is equal to another triangle side equal, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या है बेटा, या तो हमारे पास ये एंगल हो कि हम उस पर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगा सकें और एन की वैल्यू निकाल लें. ठीक है, यही एक फंडा जो है मेरे को दिखाई दे रहा है. उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, दिस इज़ 35, दिस इज़ 35, राइट. इतनी ट्राइंगल पे, ट्राइंगल ACD पे क्या लगाइए, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगाइए और इस एंगल को फाइंड कर लीजिए बाय यूजिंग एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. एंगल A प्लस एंगल C प्लस एंगल D इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. Angle is 35, angle C we have to find, keep it as it is. Angle D is 35 is equal to 180 degree. Angle C, 35 plus 35 is 70. Angle C we have find, that is minus 70 and you will get it 110. So this is 110. You have to write each and everything in your paper because it's also a part of this question. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने side पे लिखा it's rough work. No, it's not rough work. Getting? From here, now we have a linear pair. This is. So beta, you can write 110 degree plus angle C. You can write it ACB plus angle ACB is equals to 180 degree. That is linear pair. Getting? यहाँ से इसको फाइंड कर लीजिए. ACB is equals to 180 minus 110 degree. So you will get 70 degree. Now we have got this angle also. अब इस ट्राइंगल पे आप क्या कर सकते हो, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगा सकते हो. जितना आपने अभी तक पढ़ा ना वो सारे का सारा एप्लीकेबल हो गया इस सम के अंदर. नाउ बाय यूजिंग एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी you can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. So here 60 degree plus B is N plus angle C that we have found now, that is 70 degree. 180. Now 70 plus 60 is 110. सॉरी मैंने गलत बोल दिया. 70 प्लस 60 दैट इज़ 130. So N is equal to 180 minus 130 degree, that is 50 degree, and that we have got, that is 50 degree. So we have found this angle, this angle, this angle and this as well, right? So अभी कोई दिक्कत है, you can ask me. So next question we'll do in next video. Thank you.